Do a quick unboxing here of the iMac 27-inch, and basically the specs of it is right here. It's a 3.5 gigahertz quad-core Intel i7 turbo boost up to 3.9 gigahertz, 32 gig 1600 megahertz DDR3, and 4x8 gigabytes. So there's all the specs right here of what's in this machine, and I can't wait to get into the box here. So what we're going to do is we're going to open this up right now. Sorry for there's not much room in this my office here, so I'm doing this with one hand. So just bear with me. Let me get the box open. So I got the box open. I do believe I need to turn it around. There it is. And I actually ordered this, what was it, Thursday or Wednesday, and it came today. Today is Tuesday, so well, it took a few days to get here. It was actually pretty quick. The actual delivered date that they said on the computer when I ordered it was the 16th, 15th or 16th of this month of October, so it actually, they really got it here quick. So yeah, let me get this out of the brown box and we'll dig into the other box. You can see inside the box they'll have good padding for shock absorbing, so when shipping it won't be too much of a shock to the main system inside. So just wanted to show you that. Beautiful. Nice. So on the box we have iMac on top with a nice little handle to carry in. You'd actually keep the box and use it as a carrying case if you're going to travel or do anything. You might want to keep it for if you move or something. But on the side it has the Apple logo and a few things down here at the bottom. And on the back it's just another picture of the iMac. So it's pretty much straightforward. And on top it has the very fine print that you can't read. Wow. Can you read that, you guys? I know I can't. So anyways, skip that. On the side here it has the logo again with the sticker on the bottom. I don't know what it is. So let's dig into this big bad boy. Waiting for this now. I got a lot of videos to do since we had a big concert in Perth Andover, New Brunswick, and I got lots of videos I have to edit and get it up online there for people to see what they missed out on. So put the top up here. Oh, I gotta turn it around. Let's just turn it around. No more shaking the box to get it out. You just pull down on it, and you can get your system pretty easy. So let's just lift the top up here. And on top of the box, we have I ordered the big keyboard there. So let's take a quick look at that. This is the wired keyboard, and I do believe the mouse is probably underneath. The reason why I got the wired keyboard is because I already have the other keyboard right there. So I didn't think it was any sense of getting two. And this is where my system's going to sit right here. So it should be pretty good. So let's just lift up on this here. Must be a tab for me to get a hold of on the end. Lift it up. Yeah, the mouse is right there. So yeah, so there's the keyboard, there's the wires. It's going to sit up on the bottom, the wireless on top. Here's the mouse. Batteries are already installed. I'll set that right there. Here's an information. You all know what's in that. There's no sense in me opening that. It's just a cleaning cloth, your information, get started guide, blah blah blah. Nothing else in the boxes there. No. So we'll set that to the side. And put the other keyboard on the bottom. I suppose I gotta open that, don't I? We'll do that after. And it smells good too. So now designed by Apple, California. In California. So let's get this out so you can take a look at it. So I'm going to need two hands here. I'm going to get this box out of here, and we'll take the stuff off the monitor so you can take a look at it. Right back. So I got that down out of the box there somewhat, and actually this thing is pretty light. I'm surprised compared to the older model of the 2011. This is really light. So in the box you'll see that here's the cord. Might want to keep that. Put your cord back in there again. Yep, so there's just a power cord. And let's put this back on there again. I probably will be keeping this box, so. Okay, so now we get the starter phone off this computer. We just put the starter phone back in the box. I'm going to keep this box and use it just in case I ever have to transport it somewhere else. Never know. So keep the big box. Get the box out of the way. They really protect this thing really good, which is what I like. So the seal of approval. I'm going to keep this too. I should have put it back in the box. So now, just to lift it off. Isn't that nice? Beautiful. Very beautiful. So on the back you get a, thought it was black for a minute, but it's silver. Reflected that Apple logo on the back. And here's where your cord goes through. And on the back of this we do have, which probably everybody knows, is the SD memory card. You get your head jack, you got 4 USB ports, 2 Thunderbolts, and your internet cable, Ethernet. And this unit here does have the upgrade port for your memory. I was going to get just a 21.5 inch, but you're not able to upgrade any memory in the 21.5. So I figured, well, actually I already got it upgraded, but you guys, if you want to upgrade your memory, go with the big 27 inch because you can only do it with that one. So let's get the plastic off. I'm not really good at these unboxings because I don't have a stand, and I'm actually recording this with an iPhone. So just bear with me and we'll get into her someday. This I will not be keeping. I'll be throwing this plastic away. There's your power button right here. Yeah, I'm slow. There. Now I should be able to get that off. Nice. So, focus, camera, focus. It does have a little video slot on top. Camera. And it does have the speakers on the bottom. I can show you that. There's the speakers right here on the bottom. Clear down across. They say that these have very good sound, but I'm going to have a nice stereo system to hook up to it. I'll show you that later.